Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Rodger from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head with a circle. Now let's hop inside and let's draw another circle. Now in the center, let's draw the eye. Let's start with a line across. And then a large curve underneath. Now inside at the top, let's draw a circular curve like this. And then color it in black. Now top underneath and let's start drawing the body. Let's start with two curves down, meeting at a point. Now on the sides, let's add the collar by drawing a point out and back in. Then let's angle it down underneath. And then bring it back in towards the center. Now inside this middle section, let's draw a triangle shape near the top, a set of angles underneath, and then connect it with a wavy line. Now top underneath and let's draw the shape of the body. Let's draw a curve down and in on both sides. And then a curve across the bottom. Now inside, let's draw the bottom of the jacket. Let's draw a small line down in the center, and then a V shape underneath on both sides. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move out and draw the arms. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve out on both sides. And then angle it down for the arms. And then another set of angles underneath. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve across that's slightly longer. Then bring it down on both sides. And then a curve across the bottom. Now inside, let's draw a small circle. And then from the top, a line over and down. Now underneath, let's draw the hands. Let's draw a large curve underneath. And then a smaller one for the thumbs. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start with two lines down underneath in the center. Then let's hop out and let's draw a set of lines that's slightly shorter. Now for the feet, let's curve it out and bring it back in. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move back up and let's draw the handle to the magnifying glass. Underneath the head on the right, let's draw two lines down and out. And then a curve at the end. And then add two curved stripes inside. And that's it for Rodger. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!